Welcome to this week's edition of the Artistic Biker Live from Oasis Studios. Last week on the Artistic Biker, we did a tribute to my daughter's graduation. Yeah, you hush over there. We did a tribute to my daughter's graduation. She's got that diploma in hand, wielding it like a sword, ready to explore the world. We did a little card with a picture from her graduation on it that will stay forever in that pocket right there because it's got a lid on it. And I made a little tassel to go with it, and I had a lot of fun doing it. Did a little collage in the background and then painted on top of it. This week, however, we've had a lot of storms, and if you've been affected by the storms, or if you've got family members affected by the storms, know that our thoughts and prayers are with you as well. But I like to deal with things with a little bit of humor, so I'm going to do a page about the tornadoes, and I'm just going to have some fun with it. With that, I'm going to turn the page and let's get started.
Someday I wish upon a star and wake up when the clouds are far behind me. Where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops, that's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me. Where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops, that's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, birds fly over the rainbow. Why, you know, why can't I? If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh, why can't I?
Normally put your pictures online. You can put your pictures online, and even if you're just uploading them to artjournaling.ning.com, which is a great site to load your work, because then you can share your work with. They're up to over 1,500 members now, and you can share your work and ideas with over 1,500 people at artjournaling.ning.com. So that's a good place to upload your works too. But I think you're limited. I think they only allow you to upload 5 photos a day. So if Leslie's in the chat room, she can verify that for me. Anyway, Art and Soul, sexy red-headed Darcy there, has got some color pages going, some color tags going. Links to this will be on my site also, and you can go through and you can see what all she did with her ATCs and stuff. And then she's also got the prompt of the day, name tags. She's also got the prompt of the day for her 52 weeks. Look at, she was showing off these boots the other day. Can you see those boots?
No.
Let's see if that.
Right there.
Can you see them now? Are they bigger, better?
It takes a minute. There we go.
Yeah, that's a pretty sexy set of handles, isn't it? Anyway, she tweeted those out, and that's what I call them. Anyway, all of these links will be on artisticbiker.com.